Hi there, this is Sanjay and today I'm back with my new video on downloading and installing VMware application software onto your machine, where VM stands for virtual machine. It allows you to load your operating system on your machine virtually without booting your machine. And I have given the link in the description below to download and install it. And let's get started. So after downloading VMware from the link, we head on to its installation part, and here appears the installation wizard screen from which you can install this application software, and it is a heavy software and it takes some time to load. And you click on next and it shows you the installation wizard, and after taking that required time, so now our VMware software is installed, and when you double click to open it, after that you should get it licensed by entering a license key so that you can use a licensed version, and I have given the serial key in the description below. You can cut, copy, paste it, and after pasting it you get the same licensed version which is actually paid. And after this we head on to creating a new virtual machine, and then click on create a new virtual machine, and it shows you two types of setting. Use typical recommended setting for that and click on next button. And after this you have to click on installer disk file image, that is ISO file, and browse it, and I have made a separate video on it, and this is for this operating system. And after this you have browsed it, you click on next button, and it is Linux type, so click on it and use the version that you have. So my version is Debian 9.x 64-bit version, and then click on next button, and after this you click on next, and it shows you the same kind of installation wizard, and you have to enter in the maximum disk size space. You have to enter 60, that is 60 GB, and then you click on next again, and finally it finishes this off, and click on finish. virtual machine is installed, now you head on to edit virtual machine settings, where you can edit your setting and increase your RAM size for the sake of virtual machine. As my system is of 8 GB RAM, I have selected it to 4 GB, and you can adjust it as per your system requirements. And now click on OK. And after that you can power on this virtual machine, and it shows you the VMware logo, and then click on OK whichever it shows, and it makes a beep sound. And after that you have to select the boot menu and click on the graphic install button. And as you can see, our virtual machine is installing the operating system onto it, and after it is installed you can use it endlessly. And thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.